Hey Terra, how are you? This is Nate coming to you from Tameron Hyundai. I just wanted to reach out to you with a quick video walk around the all new design 2019 Hyundai Sonata. This vehicle is beautiful, as you can see. It features the Hyundai cascading waterfall grille, as well as the LED wraparound headlights. These headlights do oscillate as well as you turn the mirror. Those do switch. Really cool feature, great feature. Aluminum alloy wheels, turn indicator in the mirror, as well as blind spot detection. And if you're coming inside Terra, I'm going to show you a couple of quick features. This vehicle has so many different options to name, but just to hit a couple of quick few: leather, sunroof, drive mode, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, Android, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth. The list goes on and on, Terra. Let me tell you one of the beauty parts about Hyundai is a manufacturer's warranty. That warranty is 5 years, 60,000 miles of bumper-to-bumper protection, as well as 10 years, 100,000. But here at Tameron, we're going to double that warranty for you exclusively and make it 20 years or 200,000 miles, whichever comes first. Hey, come see me. My name is Nate. Tameron Hyundai, 205-287-2321, and you're going to love the way you're treated.